Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream. If you are frustrated, sick or tired of this market going up and down, don't know what to do, if you're tired of your portfolio down 80%, 90% or more, if you're tired of being broke, hit that subscribe button because over here I don't play any games. I don't play no games, all right? I only focus on the charts and I make my money from the charts. I've been doing this for 11 years. I'm a professional trader. I trade Monday through Friday, the futures market, and also swing trade the crypto market. Okay, so if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. Okay, because I specialize in making money now in OW. So if you are a guy that wants to take your investing or trading to the next level, hit that subscribe button. It's just what it is. Okay. Today we're going to talk about, is Bitcoin going up to that 4K? The Bakkt situation and more. Okay. We're going to look at the charts and answer some questions. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, okay, guys? Let me give you guys a round of applause, all right? Like I said, guys, once again, if you're getting tired, all right? If you're getting tired of just basically having Scorpio
get over here,
telling you to get over here and basically
finish him,
taking all your money. If you're tired of the market taking all your money, okay? And I said Scorpio, I mean Scorpion. Hit that subscribe button. So let's go to this coin market cap right quick. Market cap is at 123 right now, 123 billion. Okay. Bitcoin dominance is at 52.3. All right, still high. Still, that still tells me that we are in a bear market. Okay, when you see that Bitcoin dominance above that 50%. We had a small pop today, so pretty much everything is green across the board. All right, and you definitely had to expect the market to do these pullbacks. Okay, just what it is, how the market works. So let's go to the chart and let's go to that 4-hour real quick. And before we actually go to that 4-hour, let me see my live stream. Let me see my live stream real quick. All right. Let's see if I see people that's here so far. What's going on, guys? Davina, Woody, New Money, Connected, Bert, okay, Larinas. Thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. So let's go to this chart and let's see if we can see what's going on with the chart right now. So right now, guys, we had this resistance right here. Okay, we had resistance right here, guys. All right, we sold off. We came back in a channel. We broke this channel. Now we're going to back down, right? And we actually hit this support level right here at 35. Okay, we tested twice, we blasted through it a little bit, and then we went back above that support level. Okay, now Bitcoin might have problems right here. This is actually a zone where Bitcoin can actually have problems. Okay, now if Bitcoin decides to go back up, okay, this is the next resistance area right here, the breakout area. So it's going to be around 38. All right, around 38, maybe 39, but around 38 it's going to be that the next resistance area. Okay, right now it's still looking bearish. Can they bring this baby back up? Anything is possible. They could bring it up one more time. Okay. And the only reason why I could, you know, let me look at the monthly real quick, and let me tell you what I think. Let's look at that monthly, because I know the weeklies. Let me see. Let's look at that monthly. Let's see if I see anything. I don't really see anything on a monthly that tells me we can actually go up. But yeah, I mean, only if this green candle, okay, because if you look at this, let me zoom in right here. All right, let me zoom in a monthly so you guys can see this. And let me erase this right here. So guys, this candle right here is, you know, July. So if this candle turns green, yes, it's a possibility we could actually go right back up to 43, okay, 44 mark. All right. But the question is, do they want to do that? Okay, do they want to bring Bitcoin back up that high? That's the next question. And right now, as we speak, the way Bitcoin, you know, unless we get some crazy moves, the way Bitcoin moves, you know, I don't think they want to bring it up that high right now. So we will see. We will definitely see how long they want to keep this bad boy up. But we do have a lot of zones we have to break. Okay, we have right here, this zone right here at 37, that we are at 37 right now. So we have that level, which is actually a pretty decent level right here. It could be a strong level where you will see sellers come back. Okay, because guys, you have to remember that when you see pops like this, it's not normal. Okay, this is not people buying. This is the, you know, the bots and you know, people controlling the market. So there's not really you know, any real buying. So if you notice, anytime the market pops up, it falls right back down. It's just how it works. We've been seeing this all last year. Now we see it this year too. Okay, every time we see this big pops, right? Pop. Okay, you know, we might go up a little bit more, but eventually it comes right back down. So I do expect this to come right down. I really don't see 44 right now, unless they decide to do it in February. Okay, but right now, you know, it just looks too bearish right now. Now, you know, we will see what's going on the rest of the week, how they want to play this thing out. But, you know, right now, the sellers are in control. And most likely, they probably want to bring this baby back down to 3,200 or 31. There's a lot of support around here, so we probably want to bounce around this area. So keep that in mind, guys. All right, keep that in mind. That these guys are... Well, actually, the sellers are in control. Let's go to these other charts real quick, and we're going to get to you guys' questions. All right. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Okay. Hit it right now. And also, if you have any questions, type it in. So Ethereum, same thing. It popped up. No surprising. Okay, following Bitcoin, no surprising. But tomorrow, I mean, we can just drop right back down like nothing happened. We can just go right back down tomorrow like nothing happened. So keep that in mind, guys. You know, don't let these green bars get you excited. Litecoin, same situation. Litecoin actually has a lot of, I mean, you know, if you look at this breakout right here, you know, I talk about this all the time. They love to stop people out. So, you know, I definitely see continuation, especially with Litecoin back to this breakout. I mean, back to right here, because the people that bought this breakout right here, most likely they have their stops right here, guys. All right, most likely they have their stops right here. So I definitely see Litecoin, you know, continue to go back down. Stop these guys out. So you know, let me see who else. Let's go to Tron TRX. All right, Tron TRX, nice little pop. Nice little pop right here. Found support right at that breakout. That's what's up. But like I said, don't be surprised tomorrow. We might have a red bar, so don't be surprised. Let me see here. Let me see. We looked at everything else. Was looking at what's going on with XRP. Okay, XRP. It looks so weak. I mean, this small little pop is really nothing. So yeah, I mean, guys, things take time. But you can tell that things are building up, especially with XRP. XRP looks very scary, guys. All right. XRP looks scary. Okay. Real scary. I'm gonna tell you why. Let me zoom out. I'll zoom in. All right. So XRP, if you look at it, it's just basically a big triangle, guys. All right. That's looking to break out. I mean, this looks real scary. Okay, because this is a big triangle, guys. All right. So what that means is, you know, sheesh, if this thing breaks out, you know, whew, this could be a big breakout to the downside, right? You see this triangle, guys? If we decide to break out, I mean, whew, that's a lot of downside right there. Okay. So watch out for XRP, guys. You know, I hope you guys are not buying the dips. I hope you guys are not buying the dips. Not with just XRP, but just, you know, in the market in general. You guys really have to start becoming professionals. I told you guys all the time over here, I want you guys to become professionals. Learn how to control your emotions. Not get too hyped when you see green bars. Not get too hyped when you hear news stories, okay? I mean, you know, most of you guys go on, you know, sites like this and read the news, and you guys really have to understand the news is just nothing. Is really no value. I mean, especially in the bear market, okay? It's not going to put no money in your pocket, okay? What is this? Russia planning on? Nah, well, I mean, basically, we all know that Russia's not buying Bitcoin. Doesn't, you know, that doesn't make any sense at all. But let's go to these questions here, and we go from there. Okay, guys, type it in. Type in your questions. We go from there, and we'll definitely want to see what you guys talking about. Connector said retest to what, 4,000? I don't think so, bro. I don't think so. I mean, anything is possible. I don't think so right now. It looks so weak, bro. Unless we get some, you know, fake news come out. Bart said, Bert said, we love you, Ben. Shout out to you. I love you guys too. Bruno, Randy, what's going on? James, TP, what's going on, bro? Dino, shout out to you. Davina, I'm still waiting for that email. Sandy, Andrew, what's going on? Ahmed, what's going on? Bitcoin going up. Banks report. You said Bitcoin going up. Banks earning report going down. Okay. Chinese New Year's. All right. What about Chinese New Year's? Dino said facts. We can go down, back down tomorrow like there's nothing. Yes, like nothing happened. What's going on, Keith? Shout out to you, Keith. TRX is about to go off. BTC stays solid. Let me see. Of course, I put it short in yesterday. I hear you, Jeremy. You said peep ETC. What? Let's look at ETC. What you want me to look at? Basically, right now it looks weak. I mean, I don't. You know, we have resistance right here, and I mean, this pump right here looks weak. I mean, I don't know. It just looks weak. Can you look at the total market cap? Right now it's 123. Actually 124. Shout out to Keith for giving me that super chat, man. Thanks a lot. Let me give you that bomb button. And that round of applause. Shout out to you, bro, man. Thanks a lot for that super chat. Let me read what you said. Shout out to Big Ben. Thanks for your videos and calls, man. Shout out to you, bro. Thanks for supporting the channel, and thanks for becoming one of my students. You know, shout out to you, bro. And like I always say, I know, you know, you're definitely going to become successful because you have it inside of you. Okay, you have it inside of you, bro. So I know you will become successful. Let me see, Dom, what's going on, bro? You said we're studying my day trading course. All right. ETH 95 this week. Nah, I don't know. I mean, all depends on how bad if we sell tomorrow. It all depends on how bad we sell tomorrow. Or they, you know, this could be another situation where we just have to wait. You know, this week we might be like I said this on I think Sunday. You know, this week might be a nothing week where it just consolidates, all right, and just go right back down. So we might not even get none this week. Okay. Chris D, back testing this crude oil today, man. Shout out to you, bro. Chris D, you're making that money though, man. I saw you today, right? You posted you know, you made some money, so shout out to you. Waiting on a possible setup on a 4-hour. Okay, shout out to you, man. Can you look at the chart? Can you look at the chart on the market cap at TradingView? I don't know. I mean, how can I do that? I don't know how to do that. The pump was due to Tether. They printed 22 million of it. Oh, really? I didn't know that. And guys, you said type in total. If you're new to the channel, and if you're sick or tired of just, you know, it doesn't. You said total, and it doesn't say nothing. If you're sick or tired of just basically losing from this market, hit that subscribe button right now. Okay, hit that subscribe button right now. Hit it right now. So guys, if you have any questions, type it in. right now, and I will get to your questions. Right now, Bitcoin looks like we are at some type of resistance at this 37, 36 level. You know, it can pull back tomorrow. So just be careful, guys. We see that resistance at the 4-hour right here. So just be careful. We could see another up move, but you know, right now we do have temporary resistance. Another thing I want to talk about is, you know, for you guys that want to depend on Bakkt and the institutions to come in, you guys really have a lot of growing up to do. Okay. Anybody that's on my live stream right now that's dependent on Bakkt, depending on ETFs, depending on the big banks to come in, crypto, you have a lot of growing and learning to do, because your investing shouldn't be dependent on you actually shouldn't depend on anyone. Okay, you should depend on yourself. I can make money no matter what. I don't care if Bakkt comes in. I don't care if the banks comes in or don't come in. I can make money no matter. Some of you guys have to say screw Bakkt. I don't care about you, and learn how to read the charts. Learn how to read support and resistance. Learn how to make money to the downside. Okay? Learn that, guys. So you don't have to get mad every single time Bakkt delays, right? And say, you know, this month, you know, we're not coming in. Okay? Every time Bakkt delays, people get mad, pissed off. Guys, you're better than that. So let's go back to these questions, and we go from there. Aces, Ben, what's going on, Aces? Hey, what's going on, Edward? Shout out to you, bro. What price does BTC have to go down to eliminate 90% of these altcoins for good? That's a good question. Okay, that's a great question. What price? Okay, because right now BTC is at 3,000, which is, you know, absolutely, you know, crazy, because we saw last year, we saw Bitcoin at 19,000, right? That was just last year. And it now is at 3,000. That is absolutely crazy. How far Bitcoin has to go down? That's a great question. Okay, because you know that right now we're in the bear market, and the way I see things, in order for us to continue to go back up, we have to wipe out most of these coins. Because most of these coins was based on hype. Okay, we had the ICO boom. Okay, it was an ICO boom last year. ICO bubble last year. Okay, 2017. I'm sorry, not last year. 2017. 2017, we had ICO bubble. Okay. Anybody can type in, anybody can just write a white paper, make it sound good, and boom, their coin is worth 20 million, 100 million. Okay? Just like that. Now, I love, cryptocurrencies, and I like the idea behind it, but tell me why, these coins are worth this much. Doesn't make any sense. None of these coins do anything. Okay? So I believe that Bitcoin has to go down a lot. Now, how far? I don't know. Okay? That's a great question. I tell you this, it has to be below that 1,000 mark, okay? And then we can go from there. We can judge how far, how these coins, I guess we will see how, how these coins, or how much these coins are worth. So we have to wait until Bitcoin goes below 1,000 and take it from there. Let's go back to these questions. Hey Ben, any thoughts on TRX chart? Sorry, I missed your earlier live. Yeah, TRX basically right now it's finding temporary support, but it doesn't mean anything. I mean, we actually think about it, guys. All right, we broke out of this triangle pattern right here. I told you guys that we have resistance right here. This is old resistance. Okay, we only went above it just a little bit and came right back down. So if Tron comes back to this resistance line, most likely right here, most likely we're gonna have sellers come in. Okay, so we find support. We found support right here at that breakout, but we have resistance right here. Okay, so be careful, because it could be resistance right here, and then sellers come right back in. Okay, you have to understand we are in the bear market. So in a bear market, they are always looking to stop your guys out. Okay, so the people that went long right here, most likely they're probably gonna get stopped out. Okay, people that went long right here. Let's go back to these other questions here. Ben, I have the course. Do we set the $18 stop loss above the 1, the 2, or the 3? It would be the 1. Okay. And anybody that don't have the course yet, you can actually get it right now. On my live stream, you can get it 50% off. This comes with a Discord room. It will show you how to make money now in the bear market, and it will show you how to just read the market right, how to enter, how to exit. Okay, I told you guys before, I specialize in making money now. I don't care about 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 2 years from now. That doesn't really excite me. Okay, I can't pay bills thinking about 10 years from now. Here's the link. I just gave you guys a link if you want that. If you want to learn the same strategies that I use and my students use, the same strategies that some of my students use to make $2,000, $5,000, $20,000, that's the course right there. I'll give you guys 50% off. Let's go back to these questions, and we go from there. Keith said, sorry, but I have to go. Just wanted to say hello. Take care, bro. See you later. Yeah, man. Thanks a lot, bro. Take care. Thanks for that super chat once again. And I'll talk to you later, bro. How 3K is crazy? It's completely standard, reasonable prediction. Sam. Okay, Sam. 3K is crazy. Okay. I understand that Bitcoin in the past has, has gone up and went right back down. But just because, we know that doesn't mean that we are not human beings. And once we see things like that, we do react to it. Okay. It's not, just because it's here doesn't mean that we can't react to it. So it is crazy seeing Bitcoin going up here and going right back down to 3K. That is crazy. What is kind of crazier is if you look at 3K, it's really, if you look at the whole situation, because you're saying that it's not crazy, but it is, because if you look at the whole situation, I mean, this doesn't look like a bottom. All right. It doesn't smell like a bottom. We don't have volume coming in. We don't have nothing coming in. So that simply means it's a strong possibility we will have more continuation to the downside. Okay. That is even, crazier, because we can actually go way lower. Okay. Let me see here. Let me read these questions. What's going on? Expose. Aces said crypto bear market 1 year today. Yeah. Chris D, yeah, man, just focus on getting better as a trader. I know if I do that, the money will come. Yes, Chris D, you have the right attitude. Okay, you're right. You have the right attitude. If you focus on the system, do the right things, the money will come. And that's what you guys really have to understand. Some of you guys have to take full responsibility for your actions. Most of you guys don't want to take full responsibility for your actions. You want to blame it on the well. You want to blame it on Bakkt delaying. You want to blame it on ETFs delaying. Well, I can tell you this, bro. You don't have to be in the situation that you are in right now. The only reason why you're in the situation you're in right now is because you are not doing the right thing. You are not seeking to go to that next level. You are a person that just looking at the chart and hoping we will go to the moon tomorrow. Okay? In order to see success, consistent success, you have to take action. You can't sit on your butt. Just what it is. The problem with most people, especially the crypto YouTubers, okay, most of these guys never ever made any money during a recession. Okay, that's the problem with most of these YouTubers out here, and these crypto investors out here. They never made any money during a recession, and they don't have a strategy to make money in a recession. That's why these guys will continue to suffer and will always suffer. Okay, because you are a person that thinks everything will be okay. When you when you think like that, when you think that everything will be okay and we will just continue to go back up, everything will be okay, don't worry, we're going to moon 2020, you're just going to have to feel it, or you know, it's going to have to be get left behind, because you can't think like that. You always have to play defense during a recession. There's a lot of money to be made during a recession. Okay? And that's why most of you guys are down right now, because either you're too lazy to figure out how to make money during a recession because you thinking too positive. Okay? I love to think positive, but sometimes, especially if you want to become successful, sometimes you really have to think negative too. Okay? It's not all about thinking positive. Okay? You have to think negative too, because if you only think positive, you're going to be that guy that says there's no way Bitcoin can go below 10,000. There's no way Bitcoin could go below 8,000. There's no way Bitcoin is going to go below 6,000. There's no way Bitcoin go below 5,000. There's no way 3,000. Oh, 2,000. You know, so you guys have to start realizing, bro, you don't control the market. The market can do whatever it wants. You have to learn how to make money during a recession. If you don't, you're going to get wiped out, or you're just going to be depressed, waiting for that bull market to come. We don't know when it's going to come. That's why you have to step up your game. Who wants to be depressed? I don't get it. Why do you want to be depressed for? Okay. Shout out to Mooney. He's actually one of my students. Okay. Let me read what he said. He said, "Hey, Ben, I really want to thank you for what you're doing for us. Last night, I watched the setup video from the first crypto lesson. And finally, I got, he said, and finally, I got the wow moment, okay? He got the wow moment. And he got 6 wins and 1 loss with gold by following what you teach us. Thank you, bro. Peace. Okay, so shout out to Mooney making his money. Let me give him a round of applause. And most of you guys really don't understand the game, bro. Don't understand. Like, there's money right in front of your face. $20 bills, $100 bills, right in front of your face. You're not grabbing it. Okay, I told you that I specialize in making money now because that's what the rich guys do. I want to follow the rich, right? It's just what it is. These guys make money now. They make money during a recession. They make money when it's not a recession. It doesn't matter to them. These guys they you know, they're the best. So shout out to Mooney. Let me give him a round of applause. I don't know if he's watching or not, but shout out to you, bro. You know, so if you guys have any questions, type it in. Type it in. You know, you have certain YouTubers, especially your favorite XRP YouTuber, saying things like the price doesn't matter, guys. I mean, this is exactly what I'm talking about, okay? You have people like, you know, these YouTubers saying the price doesn't matter. You know why guys like him is saying the price doesn't matter? Because he's been wrong the whole year, last year, and he's wrong this year. So he don't want to be wrong anymore. So he decides to say, you know what? Forget about price. Because, you know, he's reading good news to you every single day, and the price is dropping, so he has to brainwash you and make you think that the price doesn't matter. Are you kidding me, bro? So you're trying to say that if I bought at $3 and the price is at 33 cents right now, you trying to tell me it doesn't matter, bro? Are you kidding me? That's my hard-earned money, bro. It does matter. Stop the games. Okay, some of you guys really have to learn how to make this money during this market. Stop getting, hit with the scorpion.
Get over here!
Okay? Stop it, guys.
Finish him!
Some of you guys are better, you guys are better than that. So let's go back to these questions. Yeah, exactly. Exposed. It's all about the tech. These guys should be ashamed of themselves, man. It's all about the tech. Forget about the money. Who cares about the price? Are you kidding me, bro? I get emails like, yo, bro, I'm down 30,000. Yo, bro, I'm down 50K. That's the emails that I get. And you telling me price doesn't matter? Tell that to those guys. Tell that to those guys. You kidding me, bro? That's why, okay, you guys really have to wake up. Someone said ADA. All right, so ADA right now is at resistance at this trend line right here. You see the sellers came in. A lot of sellers came in right here. So right now we are at resistance, and we will see if this will be a continuation to the downside. Okay, I mean, this is a nice little flag too. So we will see if this is a continuation to go all the way right back down. Right now it does look weak. We at resistance. We will see if Bitcoin wants to go up, but right now things look weak across the board. All right, so guys, if you have any questions, type it in. If not, I'm probably gonna leave soon, but shout out to everybody that's here. Yeah, you said 20K. Yeah, that's nothing. 20K is nothing, actually. I had one guy email me and he said he lost 150K, and this was back when Bitcoin was at, let me see, Bitcoin was at I think 7,000. Okay, this is back when Bitcoin was at 7,000. He said he lost 150K. He didn't say he lost 150K. He says he's down 150K. So that means that he has more to go. So that means that he probably down more than 150K. Okay, and then you have YouTubers saying price doesn't matter. Are you kidding me? Oh boy. Anyway, yeah, so ADA has resistance. Bitcoin right now is at resistance. So be careful. This could be a grind down. It could be a grind down where, we see Bitcoin just grind it down, like this, grind it down, so just be careful. I mean, we could actually test a breakout, or we can test this trend line right here once again, but I don't know if they want to bring it up that high. All right, so I'm probably going to get out of here soon, but shout out to everybody that's here. If you don't have my course by now, check it out. Like I said, right now it's only 50% off right now, okay, because I'm on my live stream. If once I get off, it's going right back to 300. Let me read these questions right here. Christy said you can't blame the market. You got to blame yourself. Exactly. Okay. So you can't get mad at the market or me. Okay. Because a lot of people want to get mad at me because I say that Bitcoin looks like it's going to continue to go down. Okay. It has nothing to do with me. It's just the chart. The chart is telling me that Bitcoin wants to continue to go down until we start to see new structure, okay, until we start to see new structure and a better, market where you see buyers coming in, then I can, talk like, and say, hey, man, maybe this is a chance. But right now, the market is looking weak. Let me see here. Edward said Mortal Kombat. I love that. Anthony said this is all a plan for Bakkt, Fidelity, etc. to get your bitcoins for nothing as soon as they start. Everyone will want to join in load Bitcoin OTC. I don't know, bro. Because me personally, I don't think that these guys are fiending to get in the crypto space. Okay, so I don't really think that they want to take your money or take your Bitcoin or buy up most of Bitcoin. All right. It's probably the opposite. So you think a bull run is coming in next 2020? Bull run 50, 100K conservative estimates. I don't know where you get those numbers from, bro. You're watching too much YouTube and you're looking at too much articles. Okay. But right now, the market is in a it's just weak right now, and these type of crashes right here, these type of crashes that, especially this is a high number. This is 20,000, guys. Okay, this is not like a regular $300 crash or 1,000 crash. No, we went all the way to 19K and we went back down. So these type of crashes, okay, they usually take a long time, and they flatline for a long time. So, you got to be prepared for that. All right. So, shout out to everybody that's here, man. Let me give you guys a round of applause. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Okay. Because over here, I only give you guys the facts. I don't care about hyping things up. It doesn't make any sense on my side. For all you guys that, for some reason, you can't read the market right, or you can't understand how a bear market works, this is a picture of Bitcoin right now. It's just flipped upside down. You can tell, I mean, this basically look bullish right here. Okay, this looks bullish. So then this is flipped upside down. So if you didn't know that this was Bitcoin, I'm quite sure you would say, man, this thing looks real bullish. Okay, so I'm definitely seeing more downside, and it's just what it is. Most of these coins are still overvalued, and we just gotta wait till these guys get get wiped out. Or most of these guys get wiped out. Let me see here. All right, so no more questions. All right, so guys, thanks a lot once again for coming by another live stream. Keep studying, keep grinding, keep doing what you have to do to go to that next level. If you have any questions, hit me up. If you have the course already and you don't have the Discord, email me. I'll give you the Discord room. What else? And that's about it. So guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Continue to improve, read that chart, and take your game to that next level. Talk to you guys later, and have a good night.